Hi, and welcome back to Wellness and Wisdom. It's a new year, and we've got some new financial New Year's resolutions. I'm Ryan, and I'm glad to be back with you as we discuss some important considerations as we kick off 2026. Each year, as we reflect on the areas in our life that we want to improve or take a renewed interest in as the new year comes in, one of the most common things that we hear is topics and resolutions around being better with money and making plans for a more secure financial future. So let's start with the foundation of your financial health, taking financial inventory. Now, don't worry, like I told you last time, this isn't as scary as it sounds. Here's what to do. Write down all your assets, like savings, investments, and property. Then list your debts, credit cards, loans, you name it, anywhere you owe money. Finally, take a look at your monthly expenses. Although this seems basic, knowing these numbers gives you a lot of power, and this quick inventory will help you see the bigger picture and help you decide on what your next steps should be. Whether you're interested in tackling debt, boosting your savings, or reworking your investment strategy, you can't plan for your future until you know where you stand today. So, let's get started. Let's talk about budgeting. Sounds boring, I know, sounds like a lot of work, but trust me, it can be a game changer. Think of your money like little employees, right? Every one of those dollars needs a job, has to have a task to keep things running smoothly. But you've got to categorize your spending, so start there. What do I need for essentials? How much can I save? And yeah, I should budget for some fun things too. You don't want all your hard-earned money just wandering around aimlessly. This isn't about deprivation, it's about alignment. When every dollar has a job, you're telling your money what to do, instead of wondering where it went. So whether it's for paying off debt, saving for that dream trip, or just getting ahead, give your dollars some purpose and watch how much farther they'll take you. Let's talk about balancing your cash reserves, aka your emergency fund. Think of this as your financial safety net. Look, we know life throws curveballs, and this is how you catch them. Most people will tell you that you need to have 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up. And while that might feel like a lot, don't stress out. Just start small. Every $50 or $100 will add up. Make that fund a priority until it's fully stocked. And remember, balance is key. Don't keep too much cash lying idle. Once your reserves are solid, you can let your extra money work for you through investments or other goals. But your cash reserves will give you peace of mind and flexibility. So start building that safety net today. Your future self will thank you. When was the last time you revisited your asset allocation? Or do you even know what your asset allocation is? Think of this like spring cleaning, but for your investments. You want to check your investment portfolios because your ideal mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets depends on your goals, your age, and your risk tolerance. Maybe you're playing it too safe. Maybe you made some changes when the market was a little bit volatile, and now you realize you can take a little bit more risk. Maybe you realize you're taking more risk than you wanted to. Maybe the way you set your plan up 10 or 20 years ago doesn't meet your goals today. While no investment strategy will guarantee you success, rebalancing your investments ensures that your portfolio stays aligned with your strategy. It's like tuning up your car. Small adjustments keep everything running smoothly. So, schedule a checkup for your investments this year. Little effort now will pay off big time later. While you're thinking about investments, check your retirement income plan as well. Retirement might feel far away, or maybe it's just right around the corner. Either way, it's time to check your income plan. Ask yourself, are your savings on track to fund the life and the retirement that you want? If not, don't panic. Small tweaks to your contributions now can make a big difference later. Whether it's maxing out your 401k, opening an IRA, or reducing unnecessary expenses, every step gets you closer to your dream retirement. Your future self is counting on you. So take a little time this year to fine-tune your retirement plan. Having a family conversation. Look, money talk doesn't have to be awkward. It can bring your family closer together. This year, resolve to have an open conversation about your financial goals. It's more than dollars and cents, it's about values. Discuss your goals, your plans, and even talk about those uncomfortable what-if scenarios. Clear communication can prevent confusion and build trust. Whether you're discussing saving for a vacation or teaching your kids about money, maybe planning for long-term care, these conversations set everyone up for success. So gather your loved ones around and start the conversation today. You'll be glad that you did. Also, we're in the digital age. It's 2026. It's time to say goodbye to clutter and hello to peace of mind. This year, make it your goal to try to digitize and organize all of your financial records. Scan important files like your tax returns, insurance policies, your will, your living trust, and save them somewhere secure. And don't forget to back them up, either in the cloud or maybe on an external drive. This simple step will save time, reduce stress, and will keep you prepared for anything. Plus, it feels amazing to finally get everything in order. So grab your scanner or grab your phone and start digitizing. And finally, get your heirs in order. Here's a resolution that you might not have thought about: checking on your beneficiaries. It's quick, it's easy, and it can save your loved ones a lot of trouble down the road. Look, things change. Marriages, divorces, new kids, or even just a change in your plans. Make sure that your beneficiary info is current for your life insurance, your retirement accounts, and other investments. It only takes a few minutes of your time, but it can make a world of difference to your loved ones. Think of it as one less thing for your family to have to worry about in the event that something happens to you. This year, get your heirs in order and make sure all of your beneficiary information is up to date. And when you name someone as a beneficiary, make sure you let them know as well. That way they're not caught off guard or surprised. And if something were to happen to you, they know what to do. So while these are just a few simple resolutions for the new year, we hope that after watching this, you'll feel more confident about tackling your financial future. We want to help make sure that you're set up for success, so contact our office and let us know how we can help you today. Whether it's simple questions, quick review of your account, or if you're ready to start your financial plan, we'll get started today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month on Wellness and Wisdom.